Thinking about ceramic coating your Tesla? Here's the short answer. It often is worth it, especially if you plan to keep your Tesla for several years and live in a sunny or polluted area. Teslas, particularly the Model 3 and Model Y, have been known to have paint that's susceptible to fading and swirl marks. Ceramic coating adds a layer of protection, but let's dive into the details to see if it's right for you. We'll cover the pros, cons, and costs so you can make an informed decision. Ceramic coating offers several key advantages for your Tesla. First, it's hydrophobic, meaning it repels water and dirt, making washing your Tesla much easier. This also reduces water spotting. Second, it provides UV and chemical resistance, protecting your paint from sun damage, bird droppings, and road salts. Considering Teslas use water-based paints, this is a huge benefit. Finally, a good ceramic coating adds a layer of hardness, up to 9H with graphene-enhanced options, guarding against minor scratches and swirl marks. While the pros are compelling, consider the drawbacks. The biggest con is the cost. Professional application can range from $1,200 to $3,500, averaging around $2,200 for a Model 3. DIY kits are cheaper, but risky. Tesla's smooth paint requires meticulous prep. Improper application can lead to uneven curing, cloudiness, or peeling, potentially costing you even more to fix. Also, while durable, 2 to 5 years, ceramic coating isn't bulletproof. It won't protect against major impacts like paint protection film, PPF does. The cost of ceramic coating varies based on several key factors. The size of your Tesla model plays a significant role, with larger vehicles like the Model S or X typically costing more than a Model 3. The quality of the coating material also impacts the price, ranging from basic silica-based options to advanced formulations. Additionally, the experience level of the detailer affects pricing, as professional expertise ensures proper application. Opting for graphene-enhanced ceramic coatings significantly increases the cost, typically adding $500 to $1,000 to the base price. These advanced coatings offer superior hardness, reaching up to 9H on the pencil scale, and improved resistance to scratches and UV damage compared to standard options. To determine the return on investment, consider the long-term benefits. If you plan to keep your Tesla for over 5 years, ceramic coating can save you 20 to 30% annually on detailing and maintenance expenses by reducing the need for frequent professional cleaning and protecting against environmental damage. Long-term benefits include preventing costly bodywork repairs that could reach $5,000 to $10,000 over time, reducing detailing frequency by up to 40%, and potentially recouping the coating cost within 18 months for certain high-use scenarios like taxi services or frequent driving in harsh conditions. Ceramic coating also helps preserve your Tesla's resale value, which is particularly important given that 75% of Tesla owners report paint issues within 3 years due to the vehicle's sensitive, clear coat. By maintaining the paint's appearance and protecting against fading, scratches, and environmental damage, coating can significantly enhance the vehicle's market value when it's time to sell. When deciding between DIY ceramic coating kits and professional application for your Tesla, there are important factors to consider. DIY kits are tempting due to their lower cost, typically ranging from $100 to $300, but they require extreme care and precision. Without proper preparation, including washing, clay bar treatment, and polishing, you risk a subpar finish that could damage your Tesla's sensitive paint. These steps are crucial to remove contaminants and imperfections before applying the coating. Professional application, while more expensive at $1,200 to $3,500, guarantees expertise and often includes paint correction to remove existing imperfections before coating. This ensures a flawless result and typically comes with a warranty. For Tesla's sensitive paint, which is thinner and more prone to swirl marks, professional application is generally recommended, especially if you lack experience in detailing. The risk of DIY mistakes outweighs the cost savings. Remember the forum reports. It's better to get it professionally applied than trying yourself and failing, which could lead to costly corrections. Ceramic coating is most worthwhile for Tesla owners in sunny or polluted climates, where it protects against UV damage and environmental contaminants. It's also valuable for those planning long-term ownership of 5 years or more, as it reduces maintenance costs and helps preserve resale value. Frequent travelers exposing their Tesla to road debris will benefit from the coating's dirt-repelling properties, cutting down on cleaning needs. Owners prioritizing pristine appearance and resale value will find the coating maintains that showroom shine over time. However, ceramic coating might not be worth it if you lease your Tesla or trade cars frequently, as the upfront cost could outweigh the benefits in short-term scenarios. For those on a tight budget, consider alternatives like regular waxing, which provides less protection but requires less investment. Before making a decision on ceramic coating, it's important to consider alternatives that might better suit your needs. Paint protection film, or PPF, offers superior impact resistance compared to ceramic coating. It protects against rock chips, scratches, and road debris, making it ideal for areas prone to damage. However, it comes at a higher cost than ceramic coating. Many Tesla owners opt for a hybrid approach to get the best of both worlds. They apply PPF to high-impact areas like the hood and front bumper for maximum scratch protection, while using ceramic coating on the rest of the car for UV resistance and hydrophobicity. Tesla Armor is a factory-applied paint protection available on newer Tesla models, particularly select Model S and Model X trims. It provides ceramic-like protection and has proven effective against swirl marks, offering a convenient and often more affordable alternative to aftermarket coatings. Ultimately, the decision to ceramic coat your Tesla depends on your individual needs and budget. Weigh the pros and cons carefully. If you prioritize long-term paint protection, ease of maintenance, and resale value, ceramic coating is a solid investment, especially in harsh climates. If you're on a budget or trade cars frequently, other options might be more suitable. Research local detailers, read reviews, and get quotes before committing. Protect that Tesla paint